Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of Lifestyle Sneakers. We're here at Capital at UP Town Center in Quezon City, and we're gonna try to check their shop.
So let's go.
Okay, right now we're going to pick three sneakers that's available here in Capital, and we'll pick our top three. Okay, for my first one is this Air Force One low with gum sole and maroon check and heel tab. So first sneakers, and the price of this one is 4,795 pesos. Okay, my second pick is this Ultra Boost 4.0 all white, and right now it's on sale. It's from 8,900. It's only 6,230 pesos. So good deal. And for my last pick, it's gonna be this New Balance 574 Classic with the blue and red details. Currently, it's 3,995 pesos. This one is not yet on sale.
So guys, now it's my turn to choose my three sneakers that I would think of purchasing here at Capital. So probably my first one would be this. This is the Nike BMX, if I'm not mistaken. It's not written here, but the price of these sneakers is actually only 6,745. So I like the colorway, the pop of pink or orange, and then the laces in like maroon, hits of blue, and aqua blue. So this one is one of my picks. So I think I found my number 2 pick for this shop. These are the New Balance 997. So it has a red, gray, blue colorway. So I like the silhouette of the 997H. So definitely this is my second pick. The price of these sneakers is below 5,000 pesos. It's only at 4,995. So very good sneakers, affordable. So yeah, this is my second pick. And probably my third pick, I'll choose the one on sale. Probably I'll take this one. This is the Pure Boost. So this one is on sale. The original price is at 6,500. Now it's at 4,550 pesos only. So this is a very good running shoes. You can also wear this for lifestyle. So if you will notice this red tag here in Capital, if they have a red tag, it means that this sneaker is on sale. And if you see something like this but has a green sticker, it's like a limited time sale only. So since this one doesn't have any green sticker, so this one is on sale anytime. So if you're interested in this, you can drop by here and get this one, because this one is a good deal, definitely. So guys, we're done now checking out Capital. As you can see, they are on sale. So if you have time, or you have you're interested to buy some sneakers, this is one place you can go here at Uptown or UP Town Center. So did you guys like our picks? Froi, what can you say about the shop?
They have a very good selection, but nothing really limited or hype. But on the GR side of things, they have a good inventory.
I think they only have mostly general releases. They don't have any hype, but like what you said, they have a nice selection of sneakers.
And some of the good silhouettes are on sale. So
yeah, so please check it out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel,
please press the subscribe button, and please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok.
See you again next time.